Let's take a look at these cork trays from IKEA. You get two of them in a pack. Costs around 549 rupees or $8 or so. That's how it looks. These are made in China. You get two trays with different designs. As you can see, it's made out of pressed cork. I have seen a few videos of pressed cork. It's really fascinating to see. It's boiled and made soft and then pressed into the shape. It's stiff. If you want, you can actually bend it and break it. Very eco-friendly. Because it's made out of cork, it won't leave any scratches. So you can quite comfortably put in your jewelry here. Same with the bottom one. And you can stack them too. Quite eco-friendly and look quite interesting, quite nice. Check it out.